From dawn to dusk, we are tirelessly running behind money. Moreover, the life of the middle class is a daily struggle.
Today, the youth's life is confused.
What course to pursue to become successful? Are we getting the right salary for our qualification or the job we do? Is the salary increase cope up with the present inflation rate? How far is our job secured? Is the business in which we involve gives us the expected returns? Can we cope up with the competition that is hotting up every day? The result? Tension, despair, sadness, stress. Is there any wonder that can happen to change our lives? The world has already seen the 7 wonders, and here is the 8th wonder, Vestige. Your victory. Victory of the self-confident. The world of Vestige. Hi friends, I am Rajan. I am very much excited today. And the reason is, some 7 years ago, I took a business opportunity and I just devoted my part-time to it. Today, when I see that thousands of people's lives has been moving towards time and financial freedom, and people who are watching this, even lives of these people, is also going to be extraordinary. The thought itself is making me very, very excited. As you all know, friends, we are all working hard to succeed in life. But in reality, what does the statistics say? Out of 100 Indians who reach the age of 65 years, 36 people are dead. Some 54 people are dependent on their children. Some 5 people at that age also are going to work to meet their ends. When we add them up, we find that 95 people have not succeeded in their life. But 4 people lead a life of fulfillment and joy even at that stage. How can we also be like them? This is what I'm going to tell you today. To get success in our life, what should we do? We should know. For that, here I am going to show you a quote. Zig Ziglar. See You at the Top book is written by him, a New York's bestseller. In United States, he is regarded as the father of personality development. Let's see what he says. You can get everything you want if you will just help enough people to get what they want. It means you will get all your wishes fulfilled in your life if you are instrumental in helping people to get what they want in their life. So first, we should know what does the people want. Let's try to find this out. Why people are struggling hard in their life. Everybody wants to be healthy and they also want to be financially sound. Can we find both health and wealth in the same place or a job? It's a very big question. But this Vestige opportunity gives us both health and wealth in abundance. This is what about I'm going to tell you today. Vestige company gives us Vishu Wealth. Here, wealth means prosperity through health. When does the Vestige company started and what is its history? This company is started in June 2004 by its founder Mr. Gautam Baliji. Mr. Gautam Bali has worked for 12 years in India in the network marketing industry in many companies as CEO and as chief manager, contributing immensely for their growth and expansion. With this in-depth experience of 12 years in network marketing industry, he launched his own company Vestige in June 2004. When the company was started, it has only 2 products, 2 offices and just 6 distributors. Today, after 12 long years, when we look back at the path traveled, we find that this company has achieved what many companies can just dream of. And that is every year, year on year, the growth rate is 135%. It's just amazing. The company was started very modestly, but today it has a global head office in Delhi built at a cost of 75 crores, its own office. It also has 50 branch offices and working equivalent to branch offices, there are 300 DLCPs. Apart from these, there are more than 2,200 stock points spread across the country. This Indian company Vestige has now become a multinational company by stepping into business and expanding into Dubai and Nepal. They target to reach 20 countries by 2018 and by 2024 they plan to reach 50 countries around the world. The company owns 3 manufacturing units with 75 square feet area. The company also has a research and development unit in India. It also has a research and development unit in Russia. Starting with just 2 products, today Vestige has more than 200 products in various categories. And through online business, they have some 10,000 products for their distributors and customers. My dear friends, the company started with just 6 distributors and now the level has gone up to around 1 crore. Moreover, every month 1 lakh new distributors are joining this business. In these 12 years of business, more than 1,500 people are earning more than 1 lakh per month and more than 2,000 people have achieved cars, and out of these, 100 people have achieved luxury cars like Mercedes-Benz, Audi and BMW. Along with Mr. Gautam Baliji, Mr. Deepak Sood and Kanwar Bir Singh, they also have a very vast experience in network marketing. Vestige is the result of their coordinated efforts. Vestige gives us many types of products in a very wide range and various categories. Come, let's see them. In Vestige brand healthcare products, in Assure brand personal care products, in Zeta brand health food, in Denta Assure oral care products, and agriculture products. Premium skincare products, in Skin Formula 9 brand, audiobooks in self-help series, specially for men products in Truman brand, color cosmetics for ladies in Mistral of Milan brand, Ayurveda products based on our country's traditional Ayurveda in Ayushante brand, in tie-up with Sharp Company Sharp Air Purifier. Apart from all these, through VestigeBestDeal.com, there are more than 10,000 products available for online shopping. To maintain our houses hygienically clean, home care products from High West brand. So you see, Vestige gives us so many products in various categories in such a wide range. The Vestige company has for the first time in India introduced the healthcare products through a therapy known as the cellular nourishment therapy. Let's know about this cellular nourishment therapy. This therapy helps us to keep all our body cells very healthy. In the healthcare products, the very first category is immunity boost. In the immunity boost, the first product is spirulina. This is blue-green sea algae. The World Health Organization and the FDA of USA has described this as the best supplementary food. The food carried by the NASA scientists while going on research to space contains more than 70% of spirulina. This spirulina provides all the necessary nutrients that are essential for the body. For example, we can get the nutrients present in 500 apples by just eating 12 capsules of spirulina. The cost of a single capsule is just 3 rupees. The next product is noni, that comes from nona fruit. This helps in creating new healthy body cells. With this, the organ becomes new with new healthy cells, and it is also beneficial in many diseases that cannot be cured by medicines. For this, the monthly expense is just 300 rupees. The next product is aloe vera. It helps in regulating our body temperature and is useful in various digestive problems. The cost of one aloe vera capsule is just 4 rupees. The next product is amla. It is rich in vitamin C and also has anti-aging properties. 60 capsules cost 150 rupees. The next product is colostrum. It is cow's first milk. It increases our immunity to fight diseases. The cost of one capsule is equal to the cost of a cup of tea. The next category in healthcare is cardiacare. In this, the first product is L-arginine. Everybody knows that heart attack silently kills a person. L-arginine is a solution for this. One who is born will die definitely one day. But by taking L-arginine regularly, heart attack will not be the cause of the death. For this property, it has been awarded Nobel Prize in the year 1998. The next product is flax oil. It is locally called alsi ka tel. It has the capacity to completely remove the cholesterol deposits in the blood vessels. The cost of one capsule costs just 5 rupees 80 paise. The next product is coenzyme Q10. It gives energy to all our body organs. In healthcare, the next category is glycemic health. In this, the first product is neem. It has the property to remove all the toxins present in the blood. It helps in maintaining the sugar level in the blood. One capsule of neem costs just rupees 3. The next product is stevia. It is a type of sweet tulsi. It is an alternative to sugar-free tablets. Next in healthcare is joints and bones health. In this, the first product is glucosamine. It gives relief from joint pains. The cost of 60 capsules is just 550. The next product is calcium. It is natural calcium and it also contains vitamin D3. So 99% of the calcium is absorbed in our body. the cost of one capsule is just ₹2. In healthcare, the next category is detox and regeneration. The first product is Detox Foot Patches. It has the capacity to remove all the chemical toxins from our body. While going to bed, stick it just under your feet. In the morning, it will absorb all the toxins from the body. The next product is Ganoderma. It is red-colored mushroom. It has the ability to remove all the toxins and problems in our body. As mongoose is always against snakes, it acts against cancer. The next product is dietary fiber. It helps in digestion and also helps in removing the wastages from our body. In healthcare, the next category is fitness and diet. To maintain our body weight properly, here we have Hoodia Plus. The next product in this category is Vestige Protein Powder. In this, it contains 82% protein, which is highest in the world. In healthcare, the next category is women's health. It has iron and folic acid. It contains iron, which is very essential for women's health. Vestige next product range is health food. The first product is Zeta tea. It is not dust tea, but Assam leaf tea. 250 gram cost 110 rupees. Next is Zeta coffee. It is 100% natural coffee, no chicory. It has Robusto Arabica coffee bean. The next product is Invigo. It is chocolate flavored protein powder for children. It contains DHA, which helps in their brain development. Next we have children's favorite Choco Flaxseed Bar. Next product is Lighthouse Rice Bran Oil. It has all the recommendations of the WHO. It is patented physically refined oil. Vestige's next product range is oral care. It has toothpaste containing neem and clove oil. It is a whitening toothpaste. It also has international quality toothbrush. Vestige's next product range is hair care. It has 3 types of shampoos. Arnica tea tree containing hair oil. It also has hair spa and hair conditioner. The next category is face care. In this, to keep and maintain our face beauty, we have products like cleanser and toner, moisturizer, face wash, face pack, fairness cream, night cream, face scrub, massage cream, BB cream, and sunscreen lotion. Next category is body care. The products to maintain our skin are body wash, body polish, body butter, hand and body lotion, shaving cream, shaving gel, men deo, women deo, men talc, women talc, mint and tulsi containing Assure soap, honey and glycerin containing complexion bar, aloe vera and neem containing hand wash. Here we also have foot cream for relief from foot cracks, and to get relief from pain we have Insta Relief cream. Vestige's next product range is Skin Formula 9. This is premium Swiss-based skincare products. These are stem cell technology-based products. In this, we have Youth Elixir, Brightening Cream, Intense Hydration Cream, Under Eye Serum, Deep Cleansing Oil, and Blemish Gel. Vestige's next product range is Truman. Truman products are specially made for the men. In this, there are face wash, aftershave balm, UV shield, hair and scalp solution, hair stylishing gel, daily oil control shampoo, energizing shower gel, and bathing bar. Next product range is Mr. of Milan. In this, there are all types of color cosmetics used by women. World's best color cosmetics are made by Ancora Italy. It has tied up with Vestige to make color cosmetics in India specially for Vestige. Vestige's next product range is Ayushante. These products are India's traditional Ayurveda-based products for diabetes, GlucoHealth, for heart, ProCard, for removing our body toxins, ToxClean, to give strength to our body, Vital Complex, for breathing problems, RespoCare, to maintain our liver, Liver Care, to maintain our kidney, Kidney Care are available here. The next product category is air purifier. Day by day, the air we breathe in is getting polluted. To solve this problem, Vestige has tied up with Japan's Sharp company and presents Sharp Air Purifier. In this, there is world's best plasma cluster ion technology. Vestige's next product range is iVest. Here we have home care products to keep our homes neat and clean. There are also products to wash our clothes, clean our floor and vessels. All these products are of international quality and at rates affordable to everyone. Vestige's next product category is Self-Help Series. In this, there are audiobooks for our personality development. Next product category is Agri. To increase our agricultural output, there are Agri 82 and Agri Humic. First time in Indian marketing history, online shopping has been linked with the network marketing and the credit goes to Vestige Best Deal. The VestigeBestDeal.com is a very easy and effective way to get access to thousands of products with affordable and at discounted rates. This is an important milestone in the development and growth of Vestige.
For all the products, there are appropriate FDA and Halal certificates and also appreciation from Dubai government. All the Vestige products are of world-class quality and at the same time affordable to all.
Through so many Vestige products that we have seen today, and through a lot of products that are yet to come, the opportunity to earn from it is a Vestige Marketing Plan. Its another name is Success Plan. There are 7 types of income in this. The first is the retail profit 10 to 20%. Next is performance bonus 5 to 20%. Next is director bonus 14%. Leadership overriding bonus 15%. Car fund 5%. House fund 3%. And travel fund 3%. If we remove the retail profit and add the others, then the total payout will be around 60%. No other company today pays 60% payout today. Out of this, 40% is royalty. To get all this income, out of the so many products, we have to just buy products worth 300 BV for our home use. That is, by buying products worth 700 rupees just once, we become a permanent distributor of Vestige. It means there is no renewals. Once we become a distributor, we get the products at distributor price. There is a maximum difference of 20% between the MRP and the distributor price. This is the retail profit. We need not do the business alone ourselves. We can do it with others. And when everybody buys these products, everybody will get business volume. When everyone buys for rupees 100, on an average we will get 60 BV. So when everyone buys the products, we get the first type of income, performance bonus 5 to 20% according to this table. Minimum is 5% and maximum 20% when we do 1,60,000 BV. It is not necessary to do this 1,60,000 BV in a single month. Every month when we do business, our BV will get increased gradually. For example, at the rate of 40,000 BV per month, we can achieve this 1,60,000 BV in 4 months. This is only an example. You may have your own plans on this. You can achieve this BV in a single month or 2 months' time. You can take 4 months or 5 months' time, or you can take 10 months' time. We can do it in any way. Once, if we decide to do it and work hard to achieve in Vestige, then success is sure. Once we achieve 1,60,000 BV, we start getting the royalty type of incomes. To get royalty type of incomes, we should become eligible. And the eligibility is, from now, every month we have to achieve 32,016 BV in our team. In terms of money, if we do business worth 50,000 rupees in our team every month, we will start getting royalty type of income one by one. So the first royalty is director bonus. Out of the company's total turnover, 14% is taken out and is divided between the directors in that month according to this table. Next, if a director below us, instead of doing 32,016 BV, his total volume is more than 90,000 BV, we will get the next royalty, leadership overriding bonus. That is, 15% of the company's total turnover is distributed according to this table. Once a director is created under us, we become a silver director. Once we become a silver director, from the company's total turnover, we will start getting 3% travel fund. Now, depending on the amount of travel fund in our account, we can go to foreign trips, or we may also take our family along with us. Next, once we create 3 directors below us, then we reach the star director level. If the star director status is maintained for consecutively 3 months, then from the 4th month, we will start getting 5% car fund from the company's total turnover. This fund will help us to achieve our car. Once we create 6 directors below us, we reach the status of crown director level. And if we maintain this crown director status for consecutively 3 months, from the 4th month, we are eligible for house fund 3% from the company's total turnover. This will help us to buy our dream house.
By this business opportunity, Mr. R.S. Rajan in last 7 years, starting from 1,600, today his monthly income has crossed 15 lakhs. In these 7 years, he had achieved Chevrolet Beat, Fiat Linea and world's best luxury car Mercedes-Benz, totaling 7 cars in 7 years. Using his Vestige travel fund, in these 7 years, he had toured Tashkent in Russia, Singapore, Malaysia, Switzerland, Bangkok and Phuket in Thailand, Belgium and Netherlands in Europe, Paris in France, Dubai, Sydney, Brisbane and Gold Coast in Australia, Beijing and Shanghai in China, St. Petersburg and Moscow in Russia, Istanbul and Cappadocia in Turkey, Bali in Indonesia, London, Scotland, and now Dubai and Abu Dhabi, along with his family members very excitingly. Following his victory steps, many in his team are earning more than a lakh per month and had achieved cars. Apart from this, more than 100 people had went on foreign trips.
Now just think over on what you saw. Our daily struggling life can be changed by just purchasing products worth Rs 700 and joining this company. If we work hard systematically, then success is a certainty. That is, we will lead an extraordinary life of time and money freedom. This is what you are watching now. To help you reach a higher level, RS Winners Academy's systems and tools are available for you. With RS Winners Academy's tools and systems help, so many people have gone on foreign trips, many have bought cars, and many people are earning more than a lakh today. The RS Winners Academy's systems and tools will help you also. So whoever the person who is showing you this video will be having the company's joining form with him, take it and fill it up. Let's all join together, let's all work together, and let's all prosper. Let's make India a prosperous, stronger, and a very healthy nation. We here are very proud to welcome you all to the Vestige Business Opportunity. So I wish you all the best and I wish you wealth. Thank you, friends.